kata Twitter marwa @Ramogi TV KE @James Opondo Senior. Machiegni nyinga en James Opondo. Riwruok mar MCAs obago oromo margi e boma ma Nairobi mar twak ewi osara mag pizzas mag piny owacho e counties. Wawinjane kaka gitwak e sechegi.
Ignorance on their part, which we want to submit that even if there is part of the ignorance, this forum has shared sufficient information for them to clear that ignorance and do the right thing. It is the position of the membership of this forum and the members of the county assembly through their leaders who are standing with me here today that if SRC does not act as guided, the county assemblies are going to close the operations across the country and across all the 47 county assemblies. That includes the stoppage of the passing of the budgets and running of all the administrative, political, and functioning of the county assemblies. That is a message that we must pass out as a way of doing a surgery and getting a solution to an already a cancerous situation in our counties. And at this level, I also want to make it very clear that as the speakers of the county assemblies, we have spoken about the issues of members of county assemblies. No one has seemed to take note of these concerns, and we no longer wish to continue talking much and leading the membership that has been discriminated and trampled upon by the policies and the directions of the commissions such as SRC. Just to buttress on this position, I want to give three leadership that are seated here with me today. We have the Secretary General of Speakers Forum or Council of Speakers, Honorable Douglas Mbilu, who is the Speaker of Makueni. Just to give us an highlight of his presentation. We will also have the Chair of Minority Leaders and the Chair of Majority Leaders. And then I will wind up the presentation. Thank you. Yes.
Would you say that you have a deadline towards SRC?
We are currently having that discussion, and what the message that we have here today is that they only have a week. At the close of this week that we are currently about to begin, then all the county assemblies will shut their operations forthwith. At the moment, we have 23 county assemblies. The others will close on the same day, at the close of the 7 days. Mheshimiwa Speaker.
Ka wadhi nyime wayudo ni jokanyo mopogore